एवरीवन, आप सब कैसे हैं? आई होप कि आप सब अच्छे हो। नॉन मेडिकल का टैट का टेस्ट हुआ था, उसका एक केमिस्ट्री और फिजिक्स सेक्शन है, तो जो मैं अब सॉल्व करूँगी। अगर आप इसको ज़्यादा एलेबोरेट में चाहते हैं तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, विच इज़ यूज्ड एज मॉडरेटर इन न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर? ऑप्शन ए H2O, ऑप्शन बी एलम, ऑप्शन सी DuO, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज। तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ए ऑप्शन H2O is the correct option. Percentage of free space in body centered cubic unit cell is A 28%, B 30%, C 32%, D 34%। तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है C 32%। और क्वेश्चन नंबर 33 है, Solvay process is used for the manufacture of ऑप्शन ए NaOH, ऑप्शन बी Na2CO3, ऑप्शन सी NH3, ऑप्शन डी NaCl। तो ऑप्शन बी जो है इसका राइट आंसर है Na2CO3। क्वेश्चन 34 है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द वीकेस्ट बेस? ऑप्शन ए CaOH2, बी KOH, ऑप्शन सी LiOH, ऑप्शन डी SrOH2। तो ऑप्शन सी LiOH इज द राइट आंसर। इन फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर वी यूज ऑप्शन ए NaHCO3, ऑप्शन बी Na2CO3, ऑप्शन सी CaOCl2, ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ दीज। देन ए ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन NaHCO3। क्वेश्चन नंबर 36, ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ Cr इन K2Cr2O7 इज क्रिप्टन की। ऑप्शन ए 0, ऑप्शन बी 4, ऑप्शन सी 5, ऑप्शन डी 6। तो ऑप्शन डी जो है पॉजिटिव 6 इज द राइट आंसर। Question 34, in which of the following pairs the ions are isoelectron? Then option A Na positive Mg positive 2, B Al positive 3, O negative, option C Na positive O2 negative, D both A and B. Then the correct option is D both A and B. Question 34, which of the following is liquid at room temperature? Option A iodine, option B bromine, option C cesium, option D phosphorus. Then option which is correct is B option bromine. Question number 39, which of the following depends upon temperature? Option A molality, option B mole fraction, option C molarity, option D ppm. Then option A molality is the correct option. Question number 40, correct order of acid strength is option A BCl3 greater than BF3 is greater than BBr3, option B BF3 is greater than BCl3 is greater than BBr3, option C BBr3 is greater than BCl3 is greater than BF3, option D BBr3 is greater than BF3 is greater than BCl3. Then the correct option is option C, BBr3 is greater than BCl3 is greater than BF3. Question number 41, which of the following is diprotic dibasic acid? Option A acetic acid, option B phosphoric acid, option C sulfuric acid, option D nitric acid. Then the C option is the correct option, sulfuric acid. Question number 42, which of the following has the highest catenation capability? Then option A oxygen, option B sulfur, option C carbon, option D nitrogen. Then the correct option is option C carbon. Question 43, which of the following catalyst is used during the hydrogenation of oils? Option A Pb, option B Ni, option C Pt, option D Cu. Then nickel option B is used is the correct answer also. Question number 44, the most electronegative element among the following is option A chlorine, option B bromine, option C fluorine, option D oxygen. Then the option C fluorine is the correct option. Question number 45, the most malleable metal is option A platinum, option B silver, option C gold, option D iron. Then the correct option is B silver. Question number 46, which among of the following is used to produce the artificial rain? Option A copper oxide, option B carbon monoxide, option C silver iodide, option D silver nitrate. Then the correct option is option C silver iodide. Question number 47, oil of vitriol is. Then option A HNO3, option B H2SO4, option C HCl, option D none of these. Then the correct option is option B H2SO4. Question of 48, elements of group 16 are called. Option noble gases, option B chalcogens, option C halogens, option D none of these. Then the correct option is option B chalcogens. Number 49, natural rubber is a polymer derived from. Option A ethylene, option B propylene, option C isoprene, option D none of these. Then the correct option is option C isoprene. Question number 50. Raindrops are spherical in shape. This is due to option A viscosity of water, option B evaporation, option C air friction, option D surface tension. Then the D option is the correct option, surface tension. Which of the following vitamins contains cobalt? Option A vitamin B6, option B vitamin B2, option C vitamin B1, option D vitamin B12. Then the D option is the correct option, B12 विटामिन जो है उसमें कोबाल्ट होता है. Question number 52. The lowest ionization enthalpies are found in option A inert gases, option B alkali metals, option C transition elements, option D halogens. Then option C is the correct option, transition elements. Question number 53. The atoms 13 by 6 C and 7 14 N can be described as A isobars, B isotones, C isotopes, D isotopes of carbon. Then isotones is the correct option. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 54. What would be the shape of CIF3 molecules which has a 3 single bonds and 2 lone pairs? A bent, B T shape, C pyramidal, D trigonal planar. Then T shape is the correct answer. B option B. T shapes is the correct answer. Question number 55. The gas which caused Bhopal gas tragedy is A CH3C is a double bond N double bond S, B CH3 bond N double bond C double bond S, C option C CH3 bond N double bond C double bond O, then D CH3 bond O bond N triple bond C. Then the correct option is B. Option B is the correct option, CH3 bond N double bond C double bond S. Question number 56. Which are the fundamental particles present in the nucleus of an atom? Then option A electron proton, option B proton neutron, option C neutron electron, option D neutron positron. Then आपको पता होगा कि जो न्यूट्रॉन होता है उसमें होता है प्रोटॉन और न्यूट्रॉन. Question 57. IUPAC name of CH3 bond C double bond O bond CH3 2 is option A 1 dimethylene propane 2 1, B C methyl propane 2 1, C 2 methyl butane 3 1, D isopropylene methane ketone. Then the correct option is option B 3 methyl butane 2 1. Question number 58. Which among the following is strongest acid? Option A trichloroacetic acid, option B acetic acid, option C dichloroacetic acid, option D chloroacetic acid. Then the correct option is option A trichloroacetic acid. Which of the following is used as a test for aliphatic primary amines? Option A Tollon test, option B Fehling test, option C isocyanide test, option D azodine test. Then the correct option is option C isocyanide test. Then the C is the correct option. Then next question number 60. Sodium metal can be stored under option A benzene, option C alcohol, option C kerosene, option D water. Then the correct option is option C kerosene. Question number 61. Resistance of an LDL ammeter is option A infinite, option B 1 ohm signs this is, and then option C 0, option D 10 ohm. Then correct option is option C 0. Question number 62. The quantity which does not change when sound enters from one medium to another is option A wavelength, option B speed, option C frequency, option D none of these. Then the correct option is option C frequency. Question number 63. The escape velocity for a body projected vertically upward from the surface of the earth is 11.2 km per second. If the body is projected at an angle of 45 degree with the vertical, the escape velocity of the body will be option A 11 under root 2 km per second, option B 11.2 km per second, option C 11 by under root 2 km per second, and D 22 km per second. Then the correct option is option B 11.2 km per second. Question number 64. The speed of projectile at its maximum height is half of its initial speed, then the angle of projectile is option A 60 degree, option B 90 degree, option C 30 degree, option D 45 degree. Then the A option 60 degree is the correct option. Question number 65. An unknown material conductivity increases with increase in temperature. The material used is option A conductor, option B insulator, option C semiconductor, option D ferromagnetic. Then the correct option is option C semiconductor. Question number 66. 9.8 Newton is equal to option A 1 kgf, option B 1 kgw, option C both A and B, option D none of these. Then the correct option is option C both A and B. Question number 67. Parsec is the unit of option A time, option B distance, option C frequency, option D angular acceleration. Then the correct option is option B distance. Parsec is the unit of distance. Question number 68. What is the audible range of sound for human being? Option A 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Option B greater than 20,000 Hz. Option C less than 20 Hz. Option D none of these. Then the correct option is option A 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. Question number 69. In SI unit of electric field is option A coulomb meter per meter square inverse, B meter ampere meter per inverse, B volt meter per inverse, D coulomb per inverse meter per inverse. Then the correct answer of this is option C volt per meter. Question number 70. Mirage is a phenomena due to option A reflection of light, option B refraction of light, option C total internal refraction, option D diffraction of light. Option B is the correct answer, diffraction of light. Question number 71. Angle between magnetic meridial and geographical meridial is called option A angle of dip, option B angle of declination, option C angle of depression, option D both A and B. Then option B angle of declination is the correct option. Question number 72. A diminished virtual image can be produced only with option A plane mirror, option B a concave mirror, option C a convex mirror, or option D all of these. Then the correct option of this question is option C a convex mirror. Question number 73. A car moves from x to y with uniform speed v1 and returns from y to x with uniform speed of v2. The average speed of this trip is option A en route में v1 v2, option B v2 v1 divided by v1 plus v2, option C v1 plus v2 divided by 2, option D 2 v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. Then the correct option is option D 2 into v1 v2 divided by v1 plus v2. Question number 74. A body of m kg starts from rest and travels distance of s meter in time t जो कि सेकंड का रिप्रेजेंट करे. देन द फोर्स एक्टिंग ऑन इट इज ऑप्शन ए 2 मीटर सेकेंड डिवाइड बाई टी स्क्वेयर एंड बी एम एस डिवाइड बाई टी एन न्यूटन. देन सी एम एस स्क्वेयर डिवाइड बाई 2 टी एन. देन ऑप्शन डी एम एस स्क्वेयर डिवाइड बाई टी एन. देन द करेक्ट जो ऑप्शन है वो ऑप्शन ए है 2 मीटर सेकेंड डिवाइडेड बाई टी स्क्वेयर इंटू एन न्यूटन. Question number 75. Three capacitors of 2, 3 and 6 uniform Fahrenheit connected in series to a 10 volt source. The charge on 3UF capacitor is 5 union C charge, B for 10 union C, C 12 union C, D 15 union C. Then the correct option is B 10 union coulomb charge. Question number 76 है. The SI unit of current is option A ohm, option E volt, option C ampere, option D joule. Then the option C is the correct option, ampere. Question number 77 है. A body is tied with a string and is given a circular motion with velocity v and radius r. The magnitude of acceleration is A v upon r, B v square divided by r, option C v upon r square, D option v square upon r square. Then the correct option of this question is option B v square upon r. Question number 78. The angle between particle velocity and wave velocity in a transverse wave is option A 0, option B pi by 4, option C pi by 2, option D pi. Then the correct option of this question is option C pi by 2. Question number 79. Which of the following cannot be negative? Option A total path length, option B velocity, option C acceleration, option D none of these. Then the correct option is option A total path length cannot be negative. Question number 80 है. 80 joule of heat is produced each second in a 4 ohm resistor, then the potential resistance difference across the resistor is option A 25 volt, option B 20 volt, option C 50 volt, option D 10 volt. Then the correct answer is B 20 volt. Question number 81 है, a person is 6 feet, how tall must vertical mirror be if he is able to see his entire length? Option A is 6 feet, option B है 4.5 feet, option B 3 is 3 feet, option D is 7.5 feet. Then the correct option of this question is option C 3 feet, which is not centripetal force. Question number 82 हमसे पूछ रहा है, तो ऑप्शन ए ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, ऑप्शन बी न्यूक्लियर फोर्स, ऑप्शन सी इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स एंड ऑप्शन डी नन ऑफ above. Then the correct option of this question is option B nuclear force. Question number 83, what is the melting point of tungsten? Option A 3380 degrees Celsius, B 3450 degrees Celsius, C 3560 degrees Celsius, D 4000 degrees Celsius. Then the correct option is B 3450 degrees Celsius. Question number 84. We combine two lenses, one is convex and another is concave, having focal length f1 and f2. If the combination of lenses have like concave lenses, then their combined focal length will be option A f1 is greater than f2, option B f1 is equal to f2, option C f1 is less than f2, option D none of these. Then option C f1 is less than f2 is the correct option. Question number 85. According to Huygens's principle, light is a form of option A particle, option B rays, option C wave, option D none of these. Then the correct option of this question is option C wave. Question number 86. Match items of list 1 with list 2 and select correct answer from the code below. List 1 and list 2. Then time with second, pressure with Pascal, electric capacitance with Farad, and heat with Joule. Then the correct option is C. C is the correct option of this question. Then question number 87. The value of escape velocity is minimum on option A Earth, option B Mars, option C Moon, option D Jupiter. Then the correct option is option C Moon. Question number 88. What does the area under velocity time graph represents? Option A velocity, option B displacement, option C force, option D acceleration. The correct option is option D displacement. Question number 89. Greenhouse effect is due to option A UV rays, option B visible rays, option C infrared rays, option D microwaves. Then the option C is the correct option, infrared rays. Question 90. A child swimming on a swing in sitting position stands up, then the time period of swing will be option A decrease, option B remain same, option C increase, option D none of these. Then the correct option of this question is option A decrease. इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड फॉर मोर वीडियोस. आपको कोई क्वेरी हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें बता सकते हैं. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.